The Special Prosecution Office of the Republic of Kosovo is a special part of the Kosovo Prosecution Service. It handles the most serious criminal cases concerning war crimes, organized crime, corruption and financial crime, as well as terrorism. EULEX prosecutors working at the SPRK are part of the Kosovo judiciary, and they perform prosecutorial activities alongside with local colleagues. They conduct investigations, instruct the police and represent the cases in the courts when trial starts. Currently, I conduct organized crime, financial and terrorism related cases in Kosovo courts. My name is Robert Kucharski, I come from Poland and I work as EULEX prosecutor at the SPRK. The EULEX prosecutors are impartial, independent and autonomous as a part of judiciary. Although they work in executive division of the EULEX mission to Kosovo, they are separate from the mission. They cannot execute orders from outside concerning their job. This ensures that the investigations are conducted in impartial and objective way in conformity with human rights standards. The investigation starts either when prosecution or police learns that the crime has been committed, or when the victim or any other person informs about such fact. After first information has been collected, the prosecution decides whether to start formal investigation against a particular perpetrator of the criminal offense or not. The purpose of these actions is to collect tangible evidence as provided by the criminal procedure. Not all investigations result in indictments. Some of them can be finished with a decision of the prosecutor to dismiss or close the case, for instance in a situation when the defendant has died or due to the lack of evidence. The evidence is any item that provides for information that the crime has been committed and tells who could have done it. This can be a document, any other material object or testimony of witness or of a defendant. The evidence is collected during an investigation in conformity with procedural laws, which ensures and secures human rights. The prosecutor represents the case in the court, presents the evidence and examines the witnesses and defendants. Prosecutor presents the evidence in coherent and well-structured way and argues the case. It is important to stress that prosecutor does not represent him or herself in a court, but acts on behalf of the public interest and justice. As EULEX prosecutor, I am a part of executive component of the mission. My daily work contributes towards practical implementation of the mission's mandate in Kosovo, which enables me to work on most serious criminal cases. Investigating the most serious and aggravated crimes, we contribute to the public security and assist implementing the rule of law in Kosovo. EULEX prosecutors also work together with local prosecutors, assisting them in complicated cases and sharing the best European practices in prosecutions. This helps to establish and support viable, independent and sustainable justice system in Kosovo.